Hi, I'm here today with Mike Profilio, the Senior Director of Builder Multifamily Channel for Daltile. What are some of the innovations in the tile and surfaces category that you're watching and that you're most excited about?
You know, Daltile and our company brands, American Olean and Marazzi, we've been industry leaders for quite some time in introducing, new techniques around manufacturing processes, formats, glazes, etc. But there's really two that I'm most excited about right now. And the first one is what we're referring to as Defend. And Defend is powered by Microban, featuring high performance porcelain, antimicrobial floor tile, wall tile, and mosaics. And they continuously fight growth for up to 99% of any bacteria that's going to be on a surface. So it's built-in product protection that lasts a lifetime, and a lifetime of cleanliness that really doesn't wash off, it doesn't wear away. And the end result is really a surface which is consistently protected 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we are continuing to launch more series that feature the Defend by Microban. The market has really been embracing those technologies. So that's something that we're really excited about, and it's got a lot of great traction for us. The other one that we could speak to really is Daltile introduced Tile, which is one of a kind. It's a porcelain tile on a rigid core back. It features our patented clicking system. And so there's just a lot of benefits to utilizing Tile with regards to time in the installation, broadening the band of who can bring tile in. And, we're really just trying to, in a market where skilled labor and the availability of skilled labor fluctuates and or becomes a little bit more premium, just really provide innovative solutions to keep tile as relevant as possible within the market space.
So we are working on a demonstration project with Daltile. It's a prefab home series of a line of homes called Transcend. We'll bring our first demonstration home here to where our corporate campus is in Colorado, and we will be featuring the Defend by Microban and I believe the Tile as well. Can you talk a little bit about, your interest in Transcend and this project and prefab, and then the particular other products that we're going to be using in that home as well?
Daltile is very excited about our opportunity with the Transcend demo home, and there's no doubt of focus for Daltile around sustainability and in the emerging market of modular type construction. With regards to the Transcend demo home, we're providing some wonderful, timeless styled products for the project, and ranging from very simple elongated subway and some marbleized picket mosaics. But as you mentioned, one brand new launch that we're offering, or that we're providing for the Transcend home, is our Rekindle series. And so, Rekindle, it's really a wonderful warm white toned concrete visual. It comes in large formats. But it not only features the Defend that I spoke to, it also features another new Daltile innovation. We're calling it Stepwise. And Stepwise is a process that we feature within the glaze. It increases the slip resistance of the surface by more than 50% of a traditional tile surface. This is a great attribute. And it's perfect for the Transcend demo home because this is going to allow the product to be carried throughout both the interior and exterior spaces of the home, really providing an excellent surface, allowing for livable space in such a wonderful environment in the Colorado mountains, right? And really an environment that has seasons too, like wet weather. And so again, to be able to come off of your living area, come into whether it's exterior or interior, and know that you have a little bit extra defense against slip resistance, really creates a great attribute for the product.
Let's turn to sustainability. You mentioned that sustainability is of paramount importance to Daltile, and certainly Mohawk and Daltile have been leaders in sustainability for many, many years. Can you talk about the evolution of Daltile's sustainability strategy and some of your ESG related goals and milestones?
We're a global manufacturer in over 27 countries, so a very large global footprint. And so, ESG and strategies have always been part of our corporate mission. But, I think I can provide two examples that are very relatable to folks. One of them is, at our newest floor Dal-Tile manufacturing plant in Dixon, Tennessee, we've built and utilized what's called a kind of a combined heat and power unit. It achieves, kind of thermal efficiencies that are well over 90%. And it's been so successful that we've since built and added those same unit types to 3 of our other plants. Combined, these units generate enough carbon-free neutral heat to eliminate the equivalent of more than 40,000 metric tons of emissions. Our quartz manufacturing plant is a brand new quartz manufacturing plant. It's about 4 years old. And when we first opened there, we were producing our quartz counters with more than 60% of the raw materials were being imported. That's not a very sustainable model. It does contribute to a large carbon footprint. And we've now got that ratio to be more than 90%. So more than 90% of what we're producing here in the US is with domestic raw materials. It's really a testament to the team's efforts to work through, the formulations and the process of manufacturing and make sure we're delivering the quality product at the color expectations and pattern expectations that our customers have known, while converting to a much broader ratio of domestic quartz.
Are you finding building professionals and consumers are asking more about the sustainable attributes of your products and the ESG strategies of your companies at the point of sale? Has sustainability become a greater decision-making factor?
100%. In Mohawk Daltile, it's on our webpage. We just launched or released our newest ESG report. But I can tell you, just in its product nature, ceramic and porcelain tile already has an excellent story, for consumers around maintenance or allergen-free and VOCs and PVCs and even the environmental impacts with regards to, what you do with the product after it's done. But Daltile is going to continue to stay focused, and we want to continue to be a leader kind of in the manufacturing space with our ESG goals.